What is up, YouTube? It's Scott Damon once again with another diecast vehicle review. Right now, I'll show you what I have here. I have 3 fire trucks. 2 are from Matchbox. One is from Maisto. This is a 2021 release. This one right here is a 2020. I believe this one is from 2005. We'll show you. We're starting on Maisto. And you can see right there, firefighters right there in the bucket. This is plastic right here. The piece right here is all plastic. Front is metal. And the base is metal. But I like the tires on this one. You can see right there. Front view. To the side. And to this side. And to the bottom. This is part of a rescue set from Matchbox. This is from 2022. And you can see the wire extends right there. Not compared to Matchbox's working rigs, which the working rigs fire truck is a little bit bigger compared to this one in scale. And last but not least, this is Hot Wheels 2005 fire truck. You can see with the wire's plastic, this is all metal, and the base is plastic. And you can see the 2 lights right there. Give you a side view to the left, side view to the right, and to the back. Now, all 3 castings are not bad. If you're a fan of Matchbox, give you one last view. A view from above. Well, okay, that is it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching. Please like this video, leave a comment, press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the notification button where you'll see more videos that are coming. But, guys, do me a favor. Don't leave one view. I want to see more than maybe over 100 views on my videos. Please. I'm begging you guys. I'm begging you. Please. That is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching this review. My name is Scott Damon, and I'll see you next time with more. Until then, from Astor, Florida, I'll see you later.